What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can see who you're following on the Phantom wallet. Also, before we get started, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. So let's get started. Now, once you open up your Phantom wallet, you will be on this default homepage right here. Now, from your homepage, all you need to do is just click on your profile in the upper left corner. And once you click on your profile, this menu will load. On this menu, you can see all of your wallets as well as your username right here. Now, from here, just go ahead and click View Profile right here. And then another menu will pop up. So on this menu, you would need to click on Followers right here. And here on the first tab, you would be able to see all the people that follow you. Now, to see the people that you're following, you would just need to click on Following right here. And there we go. On this tab, you can see all the people that you're following on the Phantom wallet. So that's guys how you can see who you're following on the Phantom wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.